Today I'm going to show you how to export chart data from TradingView. So ladies and gentlemen, depending on what exactly you would like to export from your chart, the data will live in a little tab down over here. Now, let's say it is, let's go and open up the Pine editor. I have just published a script over here and I've added it to, I'm just doing a small back test, and I'm going to just click on this up arrow. You'll see every tab that lives here will be some sort of data from your chart. Now, this is my strategy and this is the strategy report. Of course, you can open it up in full screen. And what essentially we can do here is on the chart report name. So this is my strategy report. On the report name, click on this, and here you'll be able to see download data as XLSX. Now, this is going to open up in your Microsoft Excel program as well as Google Sheets. So go ahead, click on that. You'll be able to then download that, of course, if you do have a subscription with TradingView. But ultimately, you'll be able to download any type of data. If you go over here to the right hand side, you can change the date range from your chart, and you'll be able to actually download all of that data.